Qué buena anécdota. Pues si quieres tú que hacer
He went on his knees and asked me if I want to get married, and I said yes. He was about to put the ring on my finger, and we heard someone that was yelling at us, "Don't be afraid!" And we were like, afraid of what? Just behind him, there was this huge mass. There was the bear just behind him, and I was like, "Oh, oh, geez, Ricardo, there's a bear behind you." After that, the bear left us. I think it's a very interesting memory. I'm ready to share this with my children and grandchildren, and I think that it's something that I will keep really into my heart. I think that was special because the nature kind of was there with the bear.